Hey guys, this is Spark Plus Ultra here, and this is my part 3 on What If Deku Had Sex Pistol, Guns and Roses. And I hope you like this video. I saw the votes and you want Sex Pistol. And let's get down to the video. Deku and Momo walk together to UA and we're holding each other's hands. And we're Deku saying, man, I can't remember how long we've been together. And Momo said, huh? Man, you really need to schedule your thinking. We've been boyfriend and girlfriend since that month when we were year 5. Alright. I still hated that month. And Momo says, well, you did get lucky. Yeah, both times. I said, I'm telling you, number 4 is not my go-to. And how did we get to the day of the 4th? That's far impressive to me. And Momo says, well, it was your thinking. I forgot to schedule it. Give me a break. When Momo says, man, this is why I love you, Deku. You're always very charismatic, and you always think about other people. And Deku says, well, you were the one that got me out of my comfort. Looking at Momo. Now, let's get to UA before the bell rings. Alright. Deku and Momo get to UA before bell rings. They get to class 1A and they both hear Bakugo and Ida arguing. And Deku then sees Bakugo. Ah, great. And Momo says, huh? Isn't that the Bakugo guy you tell me all about? And Deku says, yep. God, I hate him. And Sex Pistols say, yeah, he was a meanie. Damn right, he was that pain in the ass to us. Remind me to get that rubber bullet on me. Now, you guys, I thought I told you we're not starting that. And Momo says, we only met like a few minutes. How do you even know you hate him? Trust me, we have the same thinking. In my experience, if you meet with a guy with same ideas, then you're gonna have problems. And Bakugo says, oh, it's you! And with those little babies. What the hell are you doing here, you support class? And Deku says, see what I mean? And Momo says, well, he is similar to you, in a way. How are we similar? Me and him don't look alike. And Momo says, it's just your personality. It's just a little similar. Hell no! Both Bakugo and Deku say that. I'm sorry if I say that in rude, but me and him do not have the same look of a personality. Ditto, you chump. And Deku says, say that again! You baggy douche, explosive mouth turd. And Bakugo says, bring it, you support class weak blend. And Momo says, see? And Deku says, I see your point, but I'm not admitting it to him. Agreed. Both looking at each other like two dogs ready to mangle each other. And there was a girl that says, I see that hat anywhere. And Deku looks, huh? Oh yeah, you're the girl that I saved. What was your name? I didn't catch your name. Oh, it's Ochako Uraka. It's nice to meet you. And Zuko says, Ochako Uraka. It's very nice to meet you. And Momo says, oh, it's very nice to meet you too, Ochako. And Ochako says, your friend saved me from being stomped on by that 0 pointer. And Momo says, well, he is my man, after all. And Ochako says, huh? You two are dating? And Momo says, no, we're boyfriend and girlfriend. And all the students looked at her. And Suku says, that's why you don't speak it out loud. And Momo, surprised on what she thought and heard from Suku. And Mina says, really? And all the girls crowd Momo and asking her questions. And Mineta says, how can a guy get a girlfriend from that quickly? And Denki says, dude, you're so lucky. Tell me, how did you get that score? And Suku says, sometimes, Momo, I will oblige your oblivions sometimes, but yeah. And a man behind them says, alright, everybody be quiet. And all of them look behind them and sees a man that is on the floor sleeping and think, how did he get behind us? And Aizawa says, alright, everybody sit in their seating. And all of them sit in their seatings. And Aizawa says, 5 minutes, not good enough. We're going to do our preliminary exam. I'm Shoto Aizawa. And Ochako says, should we do our exams on... And Aizawa says, you're right, but on that time, I was expecting you to be somewhere to 2 minutes, but that's not good enough. And I can do whatever I want. And all of the students get into their sports uniform, and Momo gets asked by the other girls on how Suku and her both met. And Momo says, oh, we were little kids back then. Seriously? What was he like? Mina asked. And Momo says, he was a orphan. Orphan? All of them look in shock on how Zuku looks now, and when they think of the past. Then we get to Zuku's in the mail's room. So, how did it go with Momo? Mina asked, and Zuku says, if you're asking anything about my girlfriend's body, you're not getting it out of it, pervert. And Mina says, no. Denki says, screw that. How did you get to a date with her? I need to ask. Yeah, same here. Besides that. And Zuko says, well, it was April 4th and the 4th day. And all of the males and females were wondering, why you sound so laughing about that? And the males say, why are you getting annoyed by saying the 4? And Momo says, my boyfriend hates the number 4 because it's bad luck. And Zuko says, I hate the number 4 because it gives bad luck. Because I heard I saw 4 kittens, and one of my friends grabbed the 4th one, and the kitten scratched his eyes, one eye, with 4, and lost his socket. Dude, that's... And Mama says, yeah, I know. He literally gives a lot of detail to it. And all the girls say, that poor kitten. And Suki says, now getting to the April 4th. I chose the day by accident. How did you miss a day like that? I was in a bit of a punch. That and I was having a job. I was broke, so I didn't have time to look at the day. But it was a good day. That's all I can say. And Mama says this. The day was very great. He was always concerned about me on the 4th day. And Suku says, okay, never mind. Let's get outside. And Mama says, let's go. And all of them say, you just got out of it by getting into the choice, didn't you? And both Zuko and Mama say, let's go before this gets awkward quick. And both Zuko and Mama get outside simultaneously and see each other. Looks like you got out first, Momo. And Momo says, I thought you got out first. You are the quick one. I'm the quick draw, not the quick thinking type. Well, I'm not quick at all, but I am very sharp. Alright. Are you two lovebirds? Stop talking. We're getting to the fitness exam. And all of Class 1A got out. And Aizawa says, alright, you two, you guys, you're going to throw this ball and see how far it gets. And Zawa points at Zuko. Zuko Midoriya, you've taken first place on the exam. Let's see how you do. And Zuko says, alright, usually I don't throw, but for this, I'll give it a try. Alright, Sex Pistols, come out. Right away, boss. Yeah, let's give it hell. And Zuko gets out Sex Pistols. And all of the students say, whoa, they can talk? 6 of them can talk? Wait, there's no number 4. And Mama says, yeah, he really hates the number 4 so much that his power doesn't give the number 4. There's a number 7 there. And they see number 7. Huh, this is interesting. And Suki says, alright, stretching his arm and ready to throw. And Suki says, alright, number 3, number 7, and number 5. Let's do this. Right. Zuko throws the ball and says, now, kick it out of the park. And said both number 3, number 7, and number 5 kick the ball. And says, see ya later. And throwing it all the way to a mile. And all the students were amazed on how Zuko used 3 of his partners to throw the ball. And Noel explains to them. You see, Zuko's quirk allows him to use kinetic force. It allows him to throw at fast degrees to Mach 7, or even faster, depending on what he's having or using, like a gun. Seriously? How fast can it get? I do not know, but he underestimates somewhere faster than light. And Suku says, alright, who's gonna have fun? And Aizawa says, you said fun, huh? Well, let's up the antes. If one of you can get a higher than the other, you stay. But if you get the lowest, then you are expelled. And all of them get shocked. And they say, you can't do that. We worked hard to get in here. And as Alex explains that, you worked hard to get in here. Say that to every hero. All of them worked as hard or much harder than this. If you can do it, work as hard as them, then you prove your worth. And Suku and all of Class 1A get serious. And Suku takes about a 11th place. His girlfriend takes first. And Suku says, damn, I never thought my girlfriend gets first place. And Momo says, it's because of versatility. Your power is versatile, but it doesn't have that much going through it. Sure, it goes use kinetic to redirect things, like a bullet or stone, but yeah, you gotta see me when I use it in water. And Nana bracing to be expelled, and Aizawa says, Nana, yes? Try much better. And Aizawa walks and nearly passes out, and Momo says, oh, you didn't know it was a test? And all the students say, you should have told us that, Momo. And Suku says, well, this is why I love her. And Momo says, stop teasing me. And Suku says, okay. Man, they're lovebirds. All the students think. Then Suku and Momo walk back home. Did you tell them about how we got the date? Yeah, but no. And we get to the backstory. Momo getting into a scuffle with people who want her money and pointing a gun at her. Then Suku came. This is why I hate the 4th day. Number 4 I hate. Then all of them look. It's just one guy. Give him hell. All of them shoot at him with their gun quirks. And Suku walks towards them. And all the bullets going different directions. And all of them say, what the hell? Why aren't they getting attacked? Killing him. And Suku says, I can see through them. And punching one. And the other one says, what the hell? Give him up. Unload it. And shooting more. The Sex Pistols redirect them to him. And hitting his foot. Gah! And looking at the other. And the last thief says, screw this! I'm out of here. And Suku says, number 6? Right, Suku. And kicks and hits both of his foot on 1 millisecond. Gah! And Suku says, are you okay, Momo? I didn't want anything about this to happen. Are you safe? And Momo says, thank you, Suku. You're always so brave. And kissing him unexpectedly. And Suku surprised. And then has his hands towards her and hugging her. And then we get to the present. And Momo says, alright, I'll see you next time, Suku. And Suku says, might we have another kiss? And Momo says, sure thing. And Deku kisses Momo, and with brash of all loves, and holding her hand to signify their touch with each other. And Sex Pistols say, can we go now? And this is where I'm ending this video. I hope you like this video and hope you subscribe. See you next time.